2 minus 8 equals negative 6. 2 minus 8 equals negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 6 equals positive 36. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present. We also have a multiplication operator present in between, but we also have parentheses present, and parentheses according to the order of operations have highest priority. So we need to solve what we have inside parentheses. 2 minus 8, that gives us negative 6, and now we have 2 minus 8 times negative 6. Now we have multiplication operator present in between, which has the higher priority over subtraction. So we need to solve this multiplication first. 8 times negative 6, that gives us negative 48, and our expression now simplifies to 2 minus negative 48. Negative and negative becomes positive, so our expression becomes 2 plus 48, and 2 plus 48 gives us 50, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.